Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to export chats on WhatsApp. Maybe you have important conversation you want to save for reference, or you are switching to a new phone and you want to have a copy of your chat's data. So today I'm going to show you how to export chats on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. From this menu, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, tap on Chats. Here, you will find various options related to your chat settings. Under Archive Chat section, tap on this Chat History option. Now, to export a chat, simply tap on this Export Chat option. Here, select the chat that you want to export from this list of your recent conversations. Once you have made your selection, a menu will pop up below, and in this menu, you can choose where you want to send your exported chat data. For example, I will send it using email. Here, just enter the recipient's email address and tap on send. After that, you now have successfully exported the chat on WhatsApp. The chat will be sent as a text file or media package depending on whether you included media in the export. There you go. If you wanted to know how to export chats on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to export chats on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.